SPRT. And in the 1 hour chart, we are in positive MACD. We're now above the 200 moving average, this green line, currently at a price of $22.86. And as we extend that further to the 4 hour chart, we remain in negative MACD. We did see it converge and appears to be approaching to positive MACD territory as we're seeing increase in the green MACD bars. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD, but we're seeing signs of a diverge. And as for our resistance, that we already had the highs made back in September 1st, and they coincide with the highs back in September 2nd, and at around price of $28.90. If we were to test that temporary resistance, the price movement to the upside is around 16.7%. And as for support, if we zoom back to the 4 hour chart, that we already have the 9 moving average, this blue line, which acted as resistance in the past, and since we're above resistance, that now acts as our support, and that is around a price of $22.71. If we were to test that level, the price movement to the downside is roughly around 6%. And thank you for watching.